very good morning. So already we have started a pair of linear equation two variables. Already in the earlier last class I explained. Once again let us recall the pair of linear equations. Pair means two. Pair means what? Two lines. You know that linear equation two variables. The general form of linear equation two variables is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. One line is given here. Linear. Why it is linear? The power is 1. The highest power is 1 only. It is involved in two variables. They are x and y. This is the general form of linear equation. Two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. This is okay. Pair. Pair means two. What is a, b, c here? A and b are the coefficients. A, b, c are the coefficients. A is the x coefficient, b is the y coefficient. Pair means when the two lines are given, then we will give the different coefficients for one line, and another line different coefficients will give. We won't give the same coefficients. A1x plus b1y plus c1, one pair of line equal to 0, and another linear equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The condition is what? a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. This is pair of linear equation two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, where a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. a1 square plus 1 square is not equal to 0. Okay, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. So this is one. These two are the pair. Pair means two. Pair of lines. The pair of linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These we discussed. So solution. What is solution of pair of linear equations? Solution means the point which satisfies the values that satisfy the given pair of linear equations is called solution. The solution of this one is xy, which satisfies the values for which x and y satisfies, they are called solution. It is called solution. The values that satisfy the given pair of linear equations is called the solution. So here already I told you a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and one next a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The condition is what? a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. Here coefficients a2 and b2. a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. So this is the pair of linear equation two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. b1y plus a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equations in two variables. So the graph of linear equations, graphical method. Now let us see, this is the graphical method. Graphical method of finding solution. Graphical method of finding the solution. Graphical method means you have to draw. For example, a1x plus b1 plus c1 equal to 0. For this, draw the graph. So from that graph we can find the solution. So what is the solution here? Solution means already I told you the values which satisfy the given pair of linear equations is called the solution. The solution of the graph. So when you draw the graph of linear equation two variables is a straight line. When you draw the graph, we will get straight line. We will get the, for example, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. We draw the graph like this. We draw the graph like this. We get it graph like this. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 straight line. This is a straight line. One more, a2x plus b2y. We draw like this. So this is what. This represents a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These two lines like this. This is one line, this is another line. One line a1x plus b1y plus c1. When you know how to plot, so that line should be written in the form of this. when the equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we need to write like this. By is equal minus ax minus c, y is equal minus ax minus c by b, like this. Y is equal to form. Y is equal to form, you write. You take x 3 positive values. When you substitute x 3 positive values in this, we will get y positive values. You take x and y. This you know already, we learned in the 9th class. So these we list out, we plot all these points in this, we join all those points, we get this line. And one more line, a to x plus b to y plus c to x. This is also right in this form, b to y, like this. b to y is equal minus a to x minus c to y is equal minus a to x minus c to by b. Like this, you take x positive values and negative values, substitute in that, we will get y values. So list out, plot all those points, we will get line them, we will get this line. These two lines are intersecting here, intersecting. So when unless you draw the lines, we can't say whether they are intersecting or whether they are meeting or they are not meeting, we come to know. When you draw it, we can come to know where these two intersect, that is the meeting point. That is called solution. That is called solution, you see. Okay. Like this, later on you see, you can draw the graph. Already you learned in the 9th class how to draw the graphs of pair of linear equations. Pair means previously we used to draw only single line, for single line graph. Now there will be the two lines. Because why two lines? It is a pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. Pair means two lines they will give. So separately we draw the same graph. In the graph paper we draw first one line. So like this will come, another line will come like this. If they are intersect, they have the solution. Otherwise, no solution. Okay. So we see the condition. Let us verify the relation between the coefficients and solutions. How can you, by seeing the problem, how can you say that they are whether they have the solutions, whether they have solution or not? Okay. How can you say? By seeing, without drawing graph. How can you say? Here we say that if you have two lines in the plane, if we have two lines in the plane, what can be possible relations? What can be the possible relations between them? What is the significance? What is the significance of the relation? So when the two lines are in the same plane, when the two lines are drawn in the same plane, so only one of the situations can be possible. When the two lines are in the plane, if you have two lines in the plane, then we have three situations. If you have two lines in the plane, there are two lines. What are the two lines? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These two lines we have in the plane. Then we have three possibilities. Then we have three situations. Three situations possible. What are those three possible situations? First situation, the lines may be intersect. They may be intersect. Second, they may not intersect. They may not intersect means they are parallel lines. So they may coincide. Third one is coincide. Coincide means one over the other. They may be coincide. There are three possibilities. If you have the two lines in the plane, the two lines we have three situations. Three situations may be possible. Three situations is possible. One situation is what? They may be intersecting. Not intersecting. Means parallel lines. If they don't meet, they are parallel lines. These are coincide. coincide, or other name is dependent. Dependent lines. How can when you draw, come to know. When you draw both the graphs, when you draw the graph of both the lines, pair of linear equations, we come to know. When you draw it is visible. When you draw it, it can be visible. So if they intersect means you have solution. Intersecting lines have solution. Solution, unique solution. What do you have? Unique solution. We will have solution. They are called also consistent. What do you call? Consistent. Consistent. Consistent means if we have the solution, we call them consistent. Consistent. How can you use the consistent? When you can say they are consistent, if you have the solution. Solution means answer. How can you say that it has the solution? Because when they intersect, the two lines intersect, we have a unique solution. Unique solution means we have solution means they are called consistent lines. Sometimes when you observe the graph, these lines do not intersect. When they do not intersect, when they are not intersecting means parallel lines, no solution. Parallel line means no solution. No solution. When they are parallel, no solution. Unless they intersect, we don't get any solution. Okay, when they intersect, we get the solution. They are parallel, they are not meeting, no solution. No solution means inconsistent. What do you call? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. How can you say that? Inconsistent? If they are not intersecting. Not intersecting means parallel lines. Parallel line means no solution. No solution means inconsistent. When they have the solution, we call it consistent. If we have the solution, how can you say that they are solution? When they intersect, we have unique solution. When they have unique solution means they are consistent. No solution means inconsistent. Next, when the two lines one over the other line. So then we call them coincide. What do you call? Coinciding lines. Coincide means many solutions. Many solutions. When they coincide, when one over the other, we have many solutions. Many means what? Infinite. Many means complex. Infinite solutions. When they have infinite solution, we call them also dependent lines. What do you call? Dependent lines. Like this, by drawing the graph, we come to know. Children, understand? So, when you draw the pair of linear equations in the graph, so when they intersect, they are called intersecting lines. When they intersect, they have a unique solution. Only one solution. Unique solution means only one solution. They are called consistent. If you have the one solution, two solutions, or three solutions, they are consistent. If they don't intersect, they are non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting means parallel lines. When they are parallel, we don't find any solution. No solution means they are inconsistent. Come to the third possibility, when they overlap. Overlap means one over the other, coincide lines. When they coincide, they have the many solutions. Many means infinite solutions. So if they have a solution, many are one or two, they are called consistent. Which are the consistent? Intersecting lines are consistent and coincide lines are consistent because they have a solution. Intersecting means only unique solution, only one solution. Consistent. Coincide line means many solutions. So consistent. Parallel lines means no solution. They are inconsistent lines. So some conditions will come to know now. I tell you one thing. Algebraically, how you know? Graphically, like this, you know. When you draw the graph, it can be visible. But sometimes by seeing the algebraically, how can you say? Algebraically means like this. When a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2. Algebraically, how can you say? We have to compare. We have to compare coefficients. We have to compare the a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. We know a1, these are coefficients. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, compare. A1, A2 are the x coefficients, B1, B2 are the y coefficients, C1, C2 are the constants. So the condition, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, algebraically intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. The ratio of A1, A2 and B1, B2 are not equal. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, they are intersecting lines. Unique solution. Unique solution. Okay. First we need to find out A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So find out and keep it aside and notice. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are not equal. They are not same. They are intersecting lines. Secondly, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, parallel lines. They are parallel lines. No solution. No. So algebraically we can say like this. Third one, if all ratios are equal, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, coincide. Coincide means many solutions. Many solutions. Like this. Okay. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, they are intersecting lines, they have the unique solution. Okay, unique solution. And if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, so they are parallel lines. No solution. No solution. If all ratios are same, they are coincide lines. They have many solutions. Many solutions. So let us observe one example problem. So say whether the following have solutions or not. How can you say? 3x plus 2y minus 80 equal 0. 4x plus 3y minus 110 is equal to 0. How can you say these pair of linear equations are parallel, intersecting, or coincide? How can you say? We don't draw any graph. We don't draw graph. When you draw a graph, you come to know it can be visible. If they intersect, intersecting lines, you can say. When they intersect, you can say that the unique solution. They are consistent. If they don't intersect, they are parallel lines, no solution. When they are one over the other, they are coinciding lines. They have many solutions. You can say. So unless you draw the graph, how can you say algebraically? You have to verify. You need to post this. A1 is equal to what? 3. A1 first equation x quotient. A2 second equation x quotient 4. B1 is equal to B2 is equal to 3. A's are x quotients, B's are y quotients. A1, A2 are x quotients, B1, B2 are the y quotients. C1 is equal to minus 80, C2 is equal to minus 110. Find out A1 by A2. A1 is 3, A2 is 4, 3 by 4. Next B1 by B2. B1 is 2, this is 3. C1 by C2. Minus 80 by minus 110. Minus 80 by 110. That equal to 8 by 11. 8 by 11. See, what is the condition? Any equal here? A1 by A2, 3 by 4. B1 by B2, 2 by 3. Not equal. So, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Why they are not equal? A1 by A2 is 3 by 4. B1 by B2 is 2 by 3. They are not equal. So, since A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, therefore, given lines are intersecting. Given lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting means have unique solution. They have unique solution. They are called consistent. They are called consistent. Like that, you can verify. If you get A1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, they are parallel lines. So all ratios are equal. We can say that they are coincide. Coincide means they have many solutions. So I hope we clearly understood, children. So you can do the problems on this. You verify this and give problems. Sir, can you write? Okay. You verify. Check. whether the following have solution or not. Have solution or not. Check that. Check which of the following are intersecting, non-intersecting. Non-intersecting means parallel lines and coinciding. X plus 2y minus 30 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 66 equal to 0. 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. X plus 2y equal to 1300. You verify whether they are intersecting lines or non-intersecting lines or coincide lines. You know rules. I give rules here. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they are intersecting lines. They have a solution, unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to a1 by a2 is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, that is a1 by a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Parallel lines. For all ratios are equal, they are coincident. You have to verify. You know that a1 is 1, a2 2, b1 2, b2 4, c1 minus 30 like this. You can verify. I hope you clearly understood. We will see the next
homework box.
Okay, Chetan.
Homework box.
This is the homework box. Check this. So this is you just verify this. Thank you.